Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Jurassic Word app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. And you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, so you just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Jurassic Word app, or just click on search, then here at Jurassic Word app, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then you just switch into open video, you search here for Jurassic World, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.